see anything, bruh. Where is it shooting at? Okay, that one was close. I think I got like one more.
2 more, I think.
Alright.
Is the tray? Oh, it's gone?
Damn, this thing is inaccurate as fuck.
I know.
I had it aimed at that.
I told you, I'm saying that's what I said too.
I shot. God damn.
That was almost a bullseye. Did you see that?
Were you going down?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta aim down. There we go. Now we're hitting her. Is that it?
There's only. Like, I only got 2.
Out of 6.
That's because I'm not. I kept shooting up. I saw the corn go. This is my first round. Leave me alone. It's my first round in like 4 years. Okay. All right, this one's mine.
So it's
This
shooting.
one's Braden's.
It's shooting low.
Yeah, you have to aim a little low. Which
Shooting
is weird.
low and left or right.
Yeah. All right, we did
Well,
good,
we
buddy.
Also,
High
we got all
five.
these patches. Look, one of us shot right through the patch. Let's go.
You got this one and this one, and I got this one and that
straight. I shot low and straight when I did that one. So
look,
it's
that's
high.
that's Braden and me. I'm telling you, we both literally shot the same. We fucked up horrible.
Yeah, we need a sighted in.
Yeah, it needs to be sighted for sure because that's not very good. It's not very accurate. Ew! It's not very.
Damn, he's fighting hard.
Might be the same one you caught earlier.
Yeah, they all look the same.
They do. He looks a little bigger than the one you caught earlier, though. Nice set hook there.
Hmm?
Nice set hook.
Damn, dude, this hook has like a good
You need your pliers?
thing. Yeah, their eyes are so beautiful. Beautiful. Dude,
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Woohoo! All right, wait, give it a minute. Hold on. Hold on, wait. Put it down. Put it down.
What?
Just put it down. I want to see where you shot at.
I shot.
Dude, get your finger off that trigger, bro. Did you even aim?
A little bit, yeah, but I shot high.
Oh, this one was already shot at. Oh, okay.